This is a beautifully restored Pontiac Chieftan two-door sedan. It's the entry-level Pontiac. It's the last year for the straight 8 flathead. Beautiful condition. There's the fuse block there on the right, and there's a fuse block on the left. And beautiful chrome work on this grille. There's the old bath air cleaner. Battery is over here on the driver's side, and it's narrow battery, which was common for GM cars back in this time. And there's the Chief Pontiac there on the hood, plus the silver streaks. And even though it's the base sedan, it is beautifully done. Paint job is excellent. The interior is really nice. And you see the beginning of a little fin here in the back, and the little arrow there in the that round placard there in the back. Full wheel covers, white walls, and here's the story. It was the grandfather's, then sat unused for quite a while. Son tried to figure out what to do with it, had it restored, and at the urging of his son. So this has come down through that family. And the most telling thing is the last statement there, that it reminds the owner of his grandfather every time he gets in the car. And that's what a lot of the feeling is, I think, in collecting cars. You not only remember the car, but you also remember the people associated with it. Notice the spotlight on the left. And the car, even though a base car, still has a radio with push buttons. Has a 3-speed manual transmission there on the column. It has backup lamps too, and silver streaks across the rear deck. Very nice indeed. I can see why you definitely want to save a car like this. First, these base cars oftentimes are neglected and just simply used for their parts, and that's it. But it's so nice to see them as they were back in the day. Looks like that radio speaker there right in the middle, with the clock in the middle of it. Chrome spear on the side. Again, look at the carburation and the fuse block and that big chrome grille. Beautiful car. So glad he brought it.